Employee experience is everything. Glitches, buffering, and sound delays are all reasons viewers drop from a live event, and your network might be to blame. But what if you could pinpoint network issues before they occur? Quickly assess the health of your network with Ramp Event Analytics, a simple and intuitive dashboard for AltitudeCDN Multicast Plus that allows you to monitor events in real time and analyze past event performance. The event summary gives you a high-level view of your event, including event duration with time elapsed, the number of Multicast Plus receivers viewing the stream, as well as those in identified locations. Click to gather diagnostic information, such as packet loss for each receiver, the IP and port for your multicast channel, and the number of wired and wireless connections to your stream. Want to know what's going on in your network? Event Analytics gathers diagnostic information from the servers and displays it minute by minute on an interactive map. Circles show concentrations of viewers at each location and change in color with network performance, so you can identify areas of concern before viewers even know there's a problem. Hover over any circle to analyze performance by location. Slide the event timeline to pinpoint network changes at specific moments in time. Click on the History tab to see a summary view of your multicast performance statistics, like packet loss and number of viewers, over time and by location. Use these insights to create the best possible employee experience for your next internal broadcast. Get it now with AltitudeCDN at ramp.com and start your trial today.